Good morning and welcome back to Flash Fluency English. In today's video, we're learning some basic morning routine phrases that you can use every day. So grab your coffee or tea and let's get started.
Number 1.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning.
Number 2.
I stretch my arms when I get out of bed. I stretch my arms when I get out of bed.
Number 3.
I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day.
Number 4.
I open the curtains to let in sunlight. I open the curtains to let in sunlight.
Number 5.
I go to the bathroom after waking up. I go to the bathroom after waking up.
Number 6.
I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully.
Number 7.
I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water.
Number 8.
I comb my hair before breakfast. I comb my hair before breakfast.
Number 9.
I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning.
Number 10.
I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel.
Number 11.
I put on clean clothes for school. I put on clean clothes for school.
Number 12.
I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
Number 13.
I drink a glass of water every morning. I drink a glass of water every morning.
Number 14.
I pack my bag before leaving home. I pack my bag before leaving home.
Number 15.
I check my schedule for the day. I check my schedule for the day.
Number 16.
I help my family prepare breakfast. I help my family prepare breakfast.
Number 17.
I tie my shoes before going out. I tie my shoes before going out.
Number 18.
I look in the mirror after getting ready. I look in the mirror after getting ready.
Number 19.
I put my phone in my pocket. I put my phone in my pocket.
Number 20.
I say good morning to my family. I say good morning to my family.
Number 21.
I feed the cat before breakfast. I feed the cat before breakfast.
Number 22.
I listen to music in the morning. I listen to music in the morning.
Number 23.
I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone.
Number 24.
I cook eggs for breakfast. I cook eggs for breakfast.
Number 25.
I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating.
Number 26.
I water the plants before I leave. I water the plants before I leave.
Number 27.
I close the windows before going out. I close the windows before going out.
Number 28.
I lock the door when I leave the house. I lock the door when I leave the house.
Number 29.
I wear my watch every morning. I wear my watch every morning.
Number 30.
I wear a jacket if it is cold. I wear a jacket if it is cold.
Number 31.
I put my lunch in my bag. I put my lunch in my bag.
Number 32.
I write my to-do list for the day. I write my to-do list for the day.
Number 33.
I check the weather on my phone. I check the weather on my phone.
Number 34.
I eat fruit for breakfast. I eat fruit for breakfast.
Number 35.
I set my alarm for the next morning. I set my alarm for the next morning.
Number 36.
I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock.
Number 37.
I say goodbye before I go out. I say goodbye before I go out.
Number 38.
I wear my glasses in the morning. I wear my glasses in the morning.
Number 39.
I open the door to go outside. I open the door to go outside.
Number 40.
I walk to the bus stop after breakfast. I walk to the bus stop after breakfast.
Number 41.
I make coffee in the morning. I make coffee in the morning.
Number 42.
I check my emails before work. I check my emails before work.
Number 43.
I stretch my legs after waking up. I stretch my legs after waking up.
Number 44.
I smile at myself in the mirror. I smile at myself in the mirror.
Number 45.
I turn on the light when I wake up. I turn on the light when I wake up.
Number 46.
I eat cereal for breakfast. I eat cereal for breakfast.
Number 47.
I carry my keys when I leave. I carry my keys when I leave.
Number 48.
I plan my day while eating. I plan my day while eating.
Number 49.
I take my vitamins each morning. I take my vitamins each morning.
Well done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English content. See you next time on Flash Fluency English.